Let's meet with buzzer module. The buzzer module is the one that children love most because of the sound it makes, and it converts electrical signals to vibration and afterwards, of course, sound. Every sound is actually appears as a result of vibration. You can also use twin coding module to code the buzzer to play different songs, but we will explore it after like couple of videos when we are exploring the twin coding module. So in order to make it work, what you need to do, you basically need to connect the buzzer to USB power module, and of course USB power module to the power bank, and let's explore together. Once you connect it, you start hearing the sound right away because there is no other module that controls whether you will hear the sound or not. And you can switch the USB power on and off to hear the sound or not. And the one interesting thing though about how this buzzer works. So children might be interested on exploring on that. They might ask questions related to this. So there are piezoelectric crystal inside the buzzer, which converts electricity to vibrations and produces sound. And the vibrating piezoelectric crystals vibrate the air molecules around the piezoelectrical crystal, and the air transfers the vibration and the sound, and our ears actually have this little part that vibrates with the vibration of air, and the sound we hear is actually result of these vibrations. So it is very nice to explain how buzzer modules work while explaining the hearing mechanism of humans. And maybe let's explore the buzzer module with different modules, let's say. So we have a slide dimmer here. So the slide dimmer is basically it changes the amount of energy, and when it is down here, as you can see, we hear nothing, although we have the green light USB power, meaning that we have an energy here, right? We have an energy moving in this direction, but we hear nothing. As I move the slide dimmer, I start hearing the sound of buzzer slowly increasing as I increase the slide dimmer. So the slide dimmer the decibel of the buzzer, and if we like look at how loud is the buzzer module and what's its frequency, we need to understand the decibel and the hertz. So decibel is a unit used to measure how loud a sound is. Like the quietest sound a person can hear is 0 decibel. So if it is 0 decibel, like we start and it increases, we start hearing it. If it is under 0 decibel, we do not hear the sound. And the buzzer module produces a maximum of 80 decibel, meaning that, so right now it is maximum, and the buzzer actually produces 80 decibel of sound, which is pretty high though, because the maximum like the maximum safe loudness is around 85 decibels. So we kept the loudness of the sound sensor sound loudness of the buzzer module below 85 decibel, and so an increase of 10 decibel actually means that the sound is 10 times louder. And also the vibration actually comes with frequency, right? And frequency is the number of vibrations in a second. So in 1 second, how many times the piezoelectric crystal vibrates. So it determines the frequency of it. And the unit of frequency is hertz, and its symbol is HS. And the frequency of the buzzer module we have is around 2500 hertz, which is pretty high. And the piezoelectric crystal vibrates 2500 times every second. It's pretty high, right? So if we like want to give some real life examples to children, actually the alarm sound or the digital clocks, the sound of the digital clocks, they use this piezoelectric crystal, right? And another weird fact for children might be, so we have a buzzer here and we have an energy coming from USB power. And as a result, we hear the sound. So what do you think? Do you think like we can create energy vibrating the piezoelectric crystal? Actually, we can. So if you can vibrate the crystal 2500 times in a second, if you have such a sound resource, let's say, the piezoelectric crystal can vibrate and create electricity, which can power the different things or power your battery, charge your battery. And there are such devices actually in real world. You can explore by just typing piezoelectric crystal as energy resource. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.